currently repairing. Foundation problem. Unfortunately, it's a very old structure and foundation is cracked, and we do have water leaks in the basement. Actually, just simply do not have funds to cover up all the repairs. So unfortunately, we do have massive problems right now with the foundation, the water getting in. Now our infrastructure here in the basement is heating simple. Heating structure is from 50s. It's still working, but on the left breath needs to be replaced. And I do have to address this because it's my breakers. They are practically out of order. We have a problem with sewer. As you see, water is literally backing out from the main city sewer and sometimes leaking in our basement. If there is a rain, it's literally is backing up to our basement. It is an old house and should be assessed accordingly, not as a brand new structure.